At Nissan, we are committed to making a positive impact on people and the planet. And today, electrification is a crucial weapon in a fight against climate change. We are announcing today Nissan EV36Zero. It will be the first of its kind in the world, right here in Sunderland. This microgrid will be the first of its kind in the UK.
Nissan EV manufacturing here is a new shipbuilding, new transportation. Envision AESC battery business is the new energy, the new coal mining. These two together is going to have the fusion effect to laying the foundation for the green industrial revolution.
It gives me a great pleasure to announce today all new Nissan electric vehicle for the production in the UK. This new generation crossover will be building on the success of Qashqai and Duke and help even more customers to make the switch to EV. Production of this vehicle and its batteries will create 6,200 jobs in UK.
I just want to say what an amazing privilege it is to be here this morning at Nissan in Sunderland. This is a partnership between the UK government and Nissan. It goes back to Margaret Thatcher in 1984. The plant opened, I think, in 1986, and a quite astonishing development.
Nissan is announcing today Nissan EV36Zero approach towards carbon neutrality. It's a program with £1 billion of investment focusing on three pillars. First, the next EV crossover. Second, a battery plant up to 35 gigawatt. And third, microgrid for 100% renewable energy. It's very significant because this is the first execution of Nissan's electrification strategy globally to achieve the carbon neutrality. Second, it is very important contribution to the society and the 40,000 employees we have. And with this 1 billion investment in Nissan EV36Zero, we will be creating additional 6,200 jobs in Northeast England. This is a great day for Nissan. It's a great day for United Kingdom. Why? Because normally we as car manufacturer always announce new product, new plant. But this is the first time that Nissan is announcing product, battery and the renewable energy. What does it mean? It means that we clearly started laying down the road towards the carbon neutrality. And that's why we believe it's a great day for Nissan, for UK, for our employees, our suppliers, our dealers, and most important, society and environment.